welcome to episode 177 of Credit 101. In this episode, I want to talk to you guys about partnering with local merchants. Now, the reason I said partner with your local merchants because sometimes you can go to a store and not know that they offer credit there. And not only do they offer credit, but they will report that credit onto your credit reports. Sometimes people are looking to have different accounts reported and they just don't know where to go. So I wanted to make this video to tell you guys about a few local merchants that you can consider based off of what I experienced. You guys may find this when you go to some of your local credit union. You can credit unions or banks. You guys can consider them like a merchant for you guys, but if you go to like your local credit union, I did that. I was able to get a credit card from them. I was able to get my car refinanced and they gave me a home equity loan. So I just found me a local credit union and they gave me what I wanted. But let me tell you guys about a few other accounts that I was able to get to and I got approved for that actually report to the credit bureaus. Now with these accounts, let me do say this, that they may not be I'm not gonna say anything about what they have going on other than what I have experienced. That's it. Because some of them, they get bad raps. Some people you may use the account wrong or not wrong, but they may not pay it and they have problems with it. I'm not talking about that. I'm only talking about the point that they will report to the credit bureaus. Double check that they are going to still report because that's all I care about. We've cared about it getting reported to the credit bureaus. So actually on my website, I have a list. It's Rickita.com. I have this list pre-qualified with no hard inquiry. I have a few store credit cards on here. Just to show you, I want to show you these store credit cards because this is just a great example of actually stores giving you credit. And you could just be trying to get you a Tempur-Pedic mattress. Maybe what if you was just trying to get you a mattress and then you find out they had a credit card? That credit card is going to report to the credit bureaus. So that's a way that you can actually start building your credit. Sealy, maybe you was trying to go there and you find out, oh my gosh, I got a credit card. Apply for it because especially if you're going to go there anyway, if you want credit being reported, it's a great way to like easily get accounts reported to your credit reports. Yamaha, they have their credit card, Bob's Discount Furniture. So these are just a few. Maybe you went to Kohl's and you're like, oh my gosh. So a lot of store credit cards, Kohl's, Lowe's, Lexus. These are credit cards that you guys can apply for. You could think of them like a local merchant. I think about them as just companies that you may just go to just buy something and maybe you find out they had a credit card. Maybe you want to just finance it just if you want them to report to the credit bureaus. Now, some other ones I want to talk to you guys about is Snap Finance. You guys can apply for them. You can pre-qualify for them. They don't care about your credit history. In a sense, they're going to be actually looking at your banking, how much money you have coming into your accounts to let you know how much you're going to get approved for. So I was able to get approved for the SNAP before. I never used it. They do have the same as cash. Definitely make sure you guys search same as cash, SNAP Finance to make sure what their terms are and what they want to actually do for the same as cash. But the one that I actually did apply for and do, was the ASEMA. So the ASEMA credit, this is the one I actually did. I did this one, I applied for it and actually used it. I got a sectional. I still have the sectional today. I got a sectional with this and I was able to, actually they have it right here to learn more. They actually have a credit card now. Congratulations. I didn't know they had a credit card. I have to make a separate video. But I was actually able to get credit with them. And it's really like one of them Snap Finance where you're just going and buying things from the store. So I definitely like this one now, especially seeing that they do have a actual credit card. But she was able to find out which store actually accepted it. They approved you for a certain amount, and as long as you paid it off, like that, they have like a 90-day same as cash or 100-day same as cash. As long as you pay it off within that time frame, then you guys look, they were going to report to the credit bureaus that you're paying, and I did the same as cash options, so I wasn't paying all those fees because we are talking very high interest accounts, especially with like ASEMA and Snap Finance, very high interest, and credit cards in general can be high interest. But these are some of those companies, or even I put in here in my search, Ashley Furniture, Rooms to Go. See if they got credit cards. So I know Ashley Furniture definitely got a credit card. It's with Synchrony Bank. So Let me actually see, because look, financing, some of these companies are going to report to the credit bureaus. And if you were already going there anyway, you can build your credit that way. And look, in store only, 72 months interest free financing on premium mattress brands. So look, that is really good. And sometimes ask them, are they going to report? Sometimes they're going to report, and they do have a credit card that you can apply for. So there you guys go. You guys have some options of a lot of different accounts. But when I say actually partner with your local merchants, I mean those companies that you're going to spend money with anyway. Ask them, do y'all have any type of financing option, and will you guys report to the credit bureaus? Because that's what's going to be important. But let's go over to episode 88. I'm going to episode 178, and I'm going to actually show you my website too, because I want to make sure you guys get familiar, because I have free credit reports there, free credit report access there. I have some dispute letters there. So let's actually go ahead and check it out. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to, maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards, or whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts to your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now, you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus, or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit, though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and this can actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you would like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with a $1 trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now, this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this would have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card. Apply now, so you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card, and it's going to repeat for multiple cards, so you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit, or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. If you want the 6 months of free letters, this is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the Mega Dispute Letter package. Do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you have any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura, and all the links are here. So you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports with Identity IQ. And it's a $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the last, second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete the application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different Credit 101, Home Buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rickita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, you guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some of the reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom, I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website. But I hope that you guys love it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.